بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم الحمد لله رب العالمين الرحمن الرحيم مالك يوم الدين وأشهد أن لا إله إلا الله وحده لا شريك له ولي الصالحين وأشهد أن محمدا عبده ورسوله الداعي إلى صراط مستقيم صلى الله وسلم وبارك عليه وعلى آله وصحبه ومن سار على نهجه إلى يوم الدين أما بعد. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. إخوة الإيمان. The Messenger صلى الله عليه وسلم, he tells us مثل المؤمنين في توادهم وتراحمهم وتعاطفهم كمثل الجسد الواحد إذا اشتكى منه عضو تداعى له سائر الجسد بالسهر والحمى. He says the parable, the example of the believers in their compassion and their mercy and their love and their concern for one another is like one body. If one part of that body, if it feels pain, then the rest of the body will feel pain and stay up the night feeling that pain with it. أيها المؤمنون إنما المؤمنون إخوة. Allah Jalla wa Ala, He says, verily the believers, only the believers are brothers. فأصلحوا بين أخويكم واتقوا الله لعلكم ترحمون. So rectify your brotherhood and fear Allah so that you may attain Allah's mercy. أيها المؤمنون. Our brothers and sisters in the world as a whole are suffering, and it is upon us to feel that suffering, feel that pain, and once we feel it, it means that we must act to do whatever we can, whatever we are able to do for our brothers who are suffering in the different parts of the world. We have brothers and sisters who are suffering in Burma, we have in Syria, we have in Palestine, we have in Iraq, we have many places in the world. لكن أبشركم, glad tidings. قولوا بشر. أبشركم, I give you glad tidings. That glad tidings is أن الأمة لن تموت. This ummah, this nation, it will not die. It will not die. قد تمرض ولكن لا تموت. It may become sick, it may become weak, but it will never die. And it is us, it is upon us, the rest of us, to try to heal the rest of the ummah when it's sick. أيها المؤمنون. Our brothers and sisters in Somalia, in Mogadishu, last Saturday, last weekend, from when I'm recording now, today is the 20th of October, they have faced a disaster. Hundreds of people have died, innocent lives. Everywhere this is happening. First of all, let's make dua for these people, these individuals, that Allah Tabaraka wa Ta'ala has mercy upon them, and that Allah Tabaraka wa Ta'ala forgives them, and that He eases the pain of their relatives and their loved ones. And the second thing is that to make it easy for the rest, to support these people who are there, to feel their pain by donating whatever we can, by showing them that we are concerned about them. Everywhere they are, people are lost. Nobody knows where they are after that bombing. People can't be recognized because how much they were burned. Allahul Musta'an. This is the situation that we are living in at the moment. And Allah Jalla wa Ala says, من أجل ذلك كتبنا على بني إسرائيل أنه من قتل نفسا. Allah says, for that reason, we prescribed upon Bani Israel that whoever kills a soul for that reason, okay, or causes corruption on earth, فكأنما قتل الناس جميعا, it is as if he has killed all of humanity, regardless if that life is Muslim or non-Muslim. And it is more sacred when it's Muslim. The Messenger alayhi salatu wasalam, one day he looked at the Kaaba and he says, what is more greater than you? And what is more sacred than you? Wallahi, the destruction of the whole earth is easier for Allah Tabarak wa Ta'ala than spilling the blood of a believer. Allahu Akbar. نسأل الله السلامة والعافية. أيها الإخوة, this is a call out to all of us to support those causes who are supporting our brothers and sisters in all the parts and different parts of the world, especially this last catastrophe that we've seen in Somalia and Mogadishu. It has never been seen ever since the civil war has broken out in Somalia. Nothing like it has been seen before. I ask Allah Jalla wa Ala to make us from those who are concerned about their ummah. I ask Allah Jalla wa Ala to make us from those who Allah Tabarak wa Ta'ala uses to benefit the rest of the ummah. إنه ولي ذلك والقادر عليه وصلى الله وسلم وبارك على نبينا محمد وعلى آله وصحبه أجمعين والسلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.